Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about an innovative product that promises to revolutionize skin and nail care. Have you ever imagined a natural, easy-to-use formula with technology that guarantees deep penetration? Then stay with me until the end. Today I'm going to talk about NanoDefense Pro. This incredible product has a patented blend, carefully formulated with natural nano ingredients, such as nano-silver, nano-curcumin, nano-quercetin, luteolin, and Cape aloe. These ingredients were selected to complement each other and offer a powerful effect on the health of your skin and nails. The difference with NanoDefense Pro is nanotechnology, which makes the molecules about 1,000 times smaller than those found in common topical products. This means they can penetrate deep into the skin, nourishing the essence, promoting a more effective and long-lasting action. With this natural and easy-to-apply formula, you can expect an improvement in the appearance of your nails and skin, as well as a feeling of care and well-being. It is a modern, safe, and efficient solution for those seeking real results without complications. If you are looking for a natural, innovative, and easy-to-use solution to take care of your skin and nails, this product could be an excellent choice. I recommend trying it and feeling the benefits of this advanced technology. Did you like the video? Leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more updates. If you have any questions or want to know more, leave them in the comments. See you next time!